Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download and install BeamNG.drive on Windows 10 and Windows 11 step by step. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Then click on the search bar, type BeamNG.drive, and press the Enter key. Now, scroll through the search results and look for the Steam page for BeamNG.drive. Once you find it, click on it to open the Games page. After the page opens, scroll down to check the game system requirements and specifications. This will help you make sure that your PC can run the game properly. Once you have reviewed the requirements, scroll back up and click on the Add to Cart button. After that, click on View Cart to review your purchase. A new window will appear showing the items in your cart. Here, click on Continue to Payment. Next, a sign-in window will appear. Sign in to your Steam account. If you don't already have an account, you can create one by following the on-screen instructions. After signing in, complete the payment process. Once the purchase is successful, the game will be added to your Steam library. From there, click on Install, wait for the download to finish, and then launch the game to start playing. And that's it. This is how you can download and install BeamNG.drive on Windows 10 and Windows 11. If you liked the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.